Hey guys, welcome back to Titan Reviews. I am quite excited to review this amazing software that is Vocalic. In this video, I am going to clear your doubts about Vocalic, how Vocalic works, and what you need to know about Vocalic before buying from a user's perspective. But before we proceed, I want to let you know that purchasing Vocalic through the link description will grant you access to 20 remarkable bonuses. All you need to do is send a screenshot of payment to my Instagram and you'll be granted access to your bonuses in no time. So moving forward to today's business, what exactly is Vocalic? Vocalic is an AI that creates profit pulling videos with voiceovers in just 60 seconds without being in front of a camera, speaking a single word, or hiring anyone ever. And with Vocalic, you can create and sell videos and voiceovers in any language for big profits to dentists, gyms, spas, cafes, retail stores, bookshops, affiliate marketers, coaches, and 100 plus other niches. So let us see what Vocalic promises us. Using Vocalic, you'll be able to tap into the fast-growing $200 billion video and voiceover industry. You'll be able to create stunning videos in any niche with inbuilt video creator. You'll be able to create and publish YouTube shorts for tons of free traffic. And you can also make passive affiliate commissions creating product review videos just like I am doing. And real human-like voiceover in 150 plus unique voices and 30 plus languages. You can convert any text script into a whiteboard and explainer videos. You can create videos using just the keywords with ready-to-use stock images. You can boost engagement and sales using the power of videos. You can add background music to your videos. It also has a content spinner to make your script unique. You can store your videos, voiceovers, and other media files with integrated MyDrive. It is 100% newbie friendly, no camera, audio, and tech hassles ever. And commercial licenses are also included to build your own incredible income helping clients. And also comes with a free training to find tons of clients. And you can get access to Vocalic today during this launch period. It costs only $34. And you can also use the coupon code Vocalic early for an extra 11% discount during the early bird period. 11% discount from that $34, and this is only available now. And best part is that it comes back with a 30 days money back guarantee, meaning if you're not satisfied with Vocalic, you can always get your money back 100% when they ask some few little questions. So we've seen some of the things, the values it offers us. Let us see how it works in 3 simple steps. So in step 1, all you have to do is log in. You can access the dashboard of Vocalic as soon as you log in, and there you choose whether you want to create a video, voiceover, or podcast. You can see the picture, how the interface looks. It's quite easy to navigate and all. Second step is to choose one of these 2 options, is either to create videos. With Vocalic, you can create whiteboard anime videos by simply adding text, or creating videos by using keyword search to get related images, or you can also upload images from your device. Choose the video quality you need and create stunning videos with voiceover. The second option is using Vocalic to create voiceovers or podcasts. And you can generate voiceover by entering your text or script, selecting voice and language option, speaking speed, volume, and so on to get a highly professional voiceover or podcast. And the stop there is to download, publish, and profit. When you are done creating your video or voiceover, it will be saved in Vocalic and you can download it to use anywhere you want. You can upload it to your video channels and drive free traffic. Public podcasts drive more engagement, leads, and sales, or you can sell those voiceovers and video creation services to local clients for big bucks. So we can all see how Vocalic works. Let us see it from the user's angle. From using Vocalic, the user interface makes it very easy to navigate through the various options it produces. And from the action Vocalic produce when using, you can create quality voiceovers without hiring professionals. You don't have to waste a lot of money to hire professionals when Vocalic can do the job perfectly for you, and you can convert ebooks into audiobooks with no hassle. And so one of the best parts I really cherish is how beautiful the whiteboard and explainer videos are, and how the video synchronizes with the voiceover. So I do believe Vocalic can upscale your videos, your business as a video marketer, a freelancer, an affiliate marketer, or an Evo and YouTuber. So if you want to get access to Vocalic now at this early bird price, the link in the description is provided. You can get access to it presently. But during the launch period, there is also a free webinar coming up. So if you want to see Vocalic in action, there's a link in the description to get access to that. And also, you want to also access the demo video. There's also a link in the description. And remember, there are 20 remarkable bonuses for you if you purchase through the link. So I really appreciate that you watched to this point. If you have any questions about Vocalic, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.